When the puppy thinks it's a human too, who else has a pet that acts like a little person?
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Trained my pup to play dead and now she's a drama queen.
Bang!
He does stink.
You smell so yummy. Oh, I miss you, little
Merry Christmas, Bug.
What is that?
Best Christmas gift ever. Meet our newest family member, courtesy of Santa Cow.
Is it a boy?
Yep. He's gonna have horns, look. What do you think, Bug?